Allison Pryor, and I teach acrylic paintings for the beginner, step by step in real time, so you can follow along with me. Hi guys, this is Allison Pryor. I thought I'd show you how to do a really quick painting today, a full painting. Shouldn't take us too long at all. I just got 3 brushes. I got bristle brushes, a couple of bristle brushes, and they're not very big. This one's probably a size 10 and probably a size 2. And this is a sable brush. We may or may not use a softer bristles. And then we have this 8.5 by 11 canvas. So we're going to do, the smaller the canvas, the quicker you can get it done. And I just have some paint on my palette, which is ultramarine blue and burnt umber, sap green, black, white, and some you can use crimson red. First thing we're going to do is a sky. So just get out your bigger bristle brush. Let's see how fast we can do this, just for some fun today. So I'm just going to take some blue paint. I'm not even going to tape it off, nothing. And I'm just going to throw on some blue paint up in the sky, just here and there, okay? So just here and there, some blue paint. Just throw it in there. Good. Now, when you get that done, then just load your brush with some white. And then put on your white. There we go. And that will give you some clouds that will be already made for you. See, so you'll get some nice blue and the white, and that will bring out some clouds. See, so you can just go right over the sky again with some crisscross strokes, or whatever is comfortable for you. And if you lose some of your blue, we'll go back in and probably pick up some blue, a little tiny bit of red to purple it up a small bit, to get a little darker up here in the corner. Good. So we'll just do it really quick and fast and easy. And then when you get your sky done that you're happy with it, then just throw on a bit more white to get some clouds in there. So just white and blue, a little bit of red to purple it up, and that will be your sky. Just a simple little sky. Good. Now you got that done. Now, next thing you're going to do is get your smaller brush. And you're going to pick up some white and brown, burnt umber, to make a nice light sandy color. There we go. Simple. So then we're just going to throw on our little beach. So there we go, a little beach. Very simple, very quick. There's a beach. Now just keep going with your beach. Brown and white, that's all you need, burnt umber and white. And add a little bit of yellow to it too if you want. Good. So I'm just going right up on getting my horizon line where I want it. And I'm just going to put that up there by the sky. I'm going to put a few hills back there, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. And I'm going to come down as far, because I'm going to put some water down here. This is a little tropical beach. So we'll come down here to our beach. Maybe a little further. Now I'm just making decisions as I go along, okay? That's what I want you to do. Just have some fun and put on these colors, and you can change it if you want to. Just put on your beach colors. There we go. And I'm going to spend a lot of time, and I just want to show you how you can do an easy, fast painting for fun. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get leave some brown on your brush, and some black, maybe some black, just dark, maybe even some blue, just for fun, just some dark colors. And then we'll throw on some hills here in the back. So just go up and down and up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. That's it. Just make those little humps there, and then just fill it in with your dark colors. Just fill in those little dark background colors. Just fill in those little humps. There we go. So you get that all filled in, and then it goes down into the beach, the sandy beach. Alright, so fill that in until you're happy with it. This is a very quick painting. I'm just doing this for fun, just to show you that yes, you can do a quickest little painting in the whole wide world. Okay, so now you're going to take your brush and clean it off really good. Get all that dark paint out of there. And just clean up the edge here. Just so that the beach goes in with the hills. There we go. So we'll clean up those hills again. Clean up your hills. Fill them in. Make sure that you got them the way you want them. Good. Make sure they're all filled in. And that's all you have. Just fill in when you make some humps. Just fill them in with the paint. And then quickly you are going to highlight those hills a little bit. Just take a bit of white, add it to the colors, the darker colors that you made, a little bit of white, whatever colors you want, and just take from the top, pull down to the right. Top, pull to the right, top, pull to the right, top, pull to the right, go to the top and pull to the right. I'll make it a bit lighter for you so you can see the colors. I might add a little bit of beach color to it. There we go, brighten it up. Good. Just add a few little hills just to give it some shape. There we go. And probably a little bit of a lighter color on some of these just to make it look like it's a bit of sun shining back there. Perfect. And now that's that simple. And now you're going to get some green paint. So get some green paint and put it on down here, and we'll have this for our water. Nice green water. And we're going to add all this paint. Same brush. I haven't changed brushes. If I change brushes, I'll let you know. So I'm using a smaller bristle brush. Go back and forth, back and forth. Get that on there. Okay? Very quickly. As if we're running late on something. We have to have this done. It's $1 million sale. Somebody wants to pay you $1 million for your painting. Got to get it done. Okay, so then you put on some white paint. Good. And what you're going to do is I'm going to make sure that we got nice and white in places. There we go, lots of white. Go up to the edge. Now, we'll lighten that up again after. And what you're going to do is take that same brush and you're going to tap into some white on the corner of your brush. That way, just getting the paint ready, that way you can make some little splashes. There we go, just tap, tap, tap. Just tap there. If the green paint is mixing with it, that's okay. We'll move on to something else when we come back and do some highlights. But we're trying to do a painting in about, I'm hoping 20 minutes. I'm just trying this for some fun, just to show you can do quick little paintings in 15, 20 minutes, half an hour, you know, do quick little paintings just for fun, just to have a little bit of fun. Okay, good. Now what you can do next is take your other brush. Oh, here it is. Okay, take your sable brush and load it up with some brown, a bit of black, and all you have to do is turn it vertical and pull down this nice line. Just make a line. Good. So make your line. We're making a little hut or something. I'm not sure. I'm just trying to make up something as I go along here. I'm trying to remember what the tropical beaches are like because I don't spend much time at them. I would love to, but you know, I have to stay here in nice Newfoundland, nice wintry Newfoundland. Okay, so take a shadow and pull that over, probably over here. pull it over. I'm trying to get it because I'm left-handed and sitting in the wrong position as usual. So just pull over your shadow, short one on the left and a longer one on the right. Okay, now, so then you're going to take your black and your brown and you're going to make let's go with letter A. There we go, the letter A. Haha. And then close it off on the bottom. And then we will put a top on there. So let's fill in the top with a really dark color. Black and brown again would be fine. Take your sable brush and just pull down these lines. Pull them down, pull them out over that line you made. Quick little lines out over there. There we go. And out and down and out over the line that you made. And that'll give it a nice little look of straw. Good. So you just bring that down. Good. And down and out over the line and down. I'm holding my brush chiseled side. Use the chiseled part of your brush so you can get those nice lines. Good. Good, good, good. And then you're going to highlight that with a lighter brown, maybe some yellow. Let's get a little bit of yellow. I don't have yellow yet. Okay, let's put some yellow on our palette. You can use cad yellow if you like. So I'm going to dip into some brown and some yellow, and I'm going to use the chisel edge of my brush, and I'm going to pull down some of these lines. So the chisel edge helps you get some nice lines. There we go. So you want to keep the dark underneath now, don't forget. Just keep the darks underneath. So let's do that again, but this time just at the top. Okay, the top. There we go. That will brighten up the top part of it. And get some shading underneath for the shadows. And we're almost done now. What? 12 minutes so far. Now I could work on this for another bunch of time, but I just want to show you for some fun. If you're in the mood someday to do a quick little painting, you could do one really quick. Yes, you could. So we'll just leave that like that, and we have a nice little hut. I guess that's what that is. I'm not sure, but yeah, you got your shadow, you got your little hut, you got your water and your background and your sky. And if you want to do some touch-ups to bring it a little more to life, then you can get some more white and scrub a little bit of cloud in there if you like. Just touch it up. Just touch, tap, and push. That's it. Just tap. Don't even worry about it. Don't even try to make a cloud. Just put on some white and just play with it. That's all. Just have some fun. And then you could tap a little bit of white on your beach. Tap on some little bit of blue, a little bit of white, just to give it a bit of a shadow color first. Or maybe green and white might be nice too. And then tap on some of that, some of your green, and then bring in some white into this beach area here. This here, the water. And anything else that you want to do with it, just keep working at it, and you'll be done in like 20 minutes. So that's what I'm doing, just having a bit of fun. I hope you like this video, just like I said, just for a bit of fun. It's not much of a learning experience because I haven't really taught you, you know, the colors and different things like that. I'm just showing you that you can actually do a painting, a quick little painting, whether it's abstract or anything. And you can do a little quick painting and have some fun. You could do, I did 6 paintings in one day. Couple of days ago. 6 quick little paintings like this, and I thought I'd show it to you just for fun, that we can do one and have some fun. I'm going to leave it at that. I know it's not totally completely finished, but I think it's a bit of fun, and And you know, have fun, sit down, enjoy it, and you have a great day. Happy painting, and I'll see you in my next video.